Blackwash, Unveiling the Meaning. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving deep into an interesting phrase, blackwash. If you've ever been puzzled by its meaning or usage, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Blackwash isn't a common phrase in everyday English, and its meaning can vary based on context. In general, it can refer to 1. A technique in art and crafts. Here, a black or dark-colored wash, a thin layer of diluted paint, is applied to give an object an aged or antiqued appearance. It's especially popular in miniature painting and model building. 2. A metaphorical reference. In certain discussions, especially around representation and media, blackwash can be used metaphorically to describe changing a character's or historical figure's race, especially to black, for modern interpretations or retellings. This use is analogous to the term whitewashing, where characters of color or non-white historical figures are portrayed by white actors or are represented as white in stories. Let's understand this phrase better by seeing it in action. 1. Artistic context. I decided to give the sculpture a black wash to make it look more rustic and vintage. 2. Metaphorical context. The movie has faced criticism for its decision to blackwash a historically white character. Remember, context is vital. The phrase's meaning can change dramatically depending on the situation it's used in. We've explored the phrase, blackwash, both its artistic and metaphorical meanings. Words and phrases are fascinating, aren't they? They evolve and can mean different things in different contexts. We hope this video shed some light on this particular phrase for you. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, keep learning and exploring the wonders of the English language.